Hello, hi everyone. Welcome back to the next session of SAP ABAP on HANA training series, and thank you for choosing JK Tutorials. So, guys, in the previous session, we have discussed about the analytics, what is analytics, and in the also we have seen a basics of VDM. In this today's session, we will discuss about this VDM. What is this VDM? Okay, now every one of you might be aware of this VDM. So, VDM stands for virtual data modeling, and its medium is a uh, gold standard introduced by SAP in S4 HANA only. Okay, so it is an annotation to standardize the development of serious fields. That's all. Okay. So it's an annotation to standardize the development of CDS views. And what are the annotations, guys? As you will say, sir, you are discussed every time you are saying this annotation. What is this annotation? Like annotations you should know, but what are the annotations for this? So, guys, there are different types of this, three types of this VDM over there in the SAP system. So, what is this? The annotations for this VDM is at the rate VDM dot VDM type. Okay, so the annotations for VDM is at the rate VDM. Let me write here only if you want. Uh, annotation क्या है हमारा? Annotation is at the rate VDM. Okay, then this is my VDM. What is this dot VDM type? So here in this SAP system, we are having three types of this VDM. What are these three types, guys? We are having three types. What are these different types? I will discuss about this. Yeah, without medium type. What will come here? So first type is our private view. Okay. Second is our interface view. And the third and the last is our consumption view. One second. Third and the last is our consumption view. These are the three types of this CDS views into our SAP HANA system. So what is VDM? If someone will come up, and so VDM is a virtual data modeling. So it's a standardized tool by SAP in S4 HANA. Okay, it's an annotation to standardize the development of CDS view use annotations. Okay, I hope this one is clear to everyone, guys. So the annotation which we use is at the rate VDM. Okay, for this and after this dot, we have to use any of these three types. That we will discuss one by one. What is this private view, interface view, and consumption view. I hope this one is clear. So, guys, in the next coming up session, we will discuss about this private view. What is this private VDM view? Okay. So that's all for this session, guys. Till the next session. Have a good day. Bye bye.